Good afternoon, students. I hope I am audible.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, till other students join and we start with the fourth experiment. I request all of you to visit Moodle and check whether your experiments are graded or not. If not graded, just check whether there is any feedback or any comment given or not. If it is not given, then there are some general instructions for all students. I will be telling you in short. Let the students join and I will tell you afterwards. Meanwhile, you can go and visit your Moodle and check whether your experiments are graded or not. One more request, the feedback, the mid-semester feedback link I have posted on Google Classroom. It is not compulsory for everyone, but if you all are interested, you can give your feedback on the link which is posted on Google Classroom. I repeat, it is not compulsory, but if you are willing, you can give.
Experiment 3 is not graded. 1 and 2 are graded.
Yes, it is. If it is not graded, there must be some corrections needed. I will tell you. Maybe it is same for all, so I have not mentioned there. I will tell you in
Can
short time. Yeah. Do we start or wait for some more time? 36 students are in the class. Okay, till other students join, any one of you want to share your experience on IIT 1? Please, you can unmute yourself or you can
Ma'am,
type in
Moodle
chat
was
box.
really slow.
Okay, but
Hello,
you could
ma'am.
finish it in time, no?
So, No. I marked one answer wrong because of that at the end because I was scared that I won't be able to submit the paper.
Okay. Any
Ma'am,
other?
and paper we got at 2:05, like 55 minutes only we got for the test.
Okay. Any other thing?
Do you
Ma'am, the loading time was also slow. For
Okay.
next
Moodle
question, we have
problem.
to wait. Yes. So for the next question, we have to wait for the next question.
Yes, ma'am. Like when
Okay.
we click on the next page, so it takes 20-30 seconds to load the question.
Okay. Any other? You give your feedback so that I can keep some improvements in the next test. Any other thing? If anyone wants to share, platform is open. Okay, I guess you people have seen your IIT 1 marks because it is already posted on the Google Classroom. So you can see your marks over there. It will be finally converted out of 20, and IIT 2 plus IIT 1 average will be taken, and you will be given out of 20 marks for your final exam. Regarding your submission, I guess I'm just finding 39 students, 38 students here. I don't know why others have not joined. Any reason behind this? Any other thing is scheduled today?
No, ma'am, nothing is scheduled.
Okay, okay, fine. Must be they're not willing to attend. It's fine. So when your experiments are there, let me first tell you about your Moodle submission for experiment number 1, 2, and 3. Uh, a little bit of disappointment from your class regarding submission. I'm not saying for all. Huh? There are very good students, or there are the students. I will not say good or bad, but there are the students who have really put their efforts and designed their documents, and they have submitted the true copy or original copy of it. But I'm finding there are multiple copies which are the same one just by the change of the first page, where the name and the roll number are changed. So, a kind of disappointment from your class. The advantage given to you for submission is you can just surf the internet, or you can use the PPTs, and from that you can design it. But if the things are like this, then from experiment number 4 onwards, I will ask you to write everything on sheets, papers, and take a PDF file of it and photo of it and upload it, because I'm very disappointed. The advantage given to you, you're taking undue advantage of that, the facility given to you. And because of this,
Ma'am, for
I
experiment number 2, you have asked me to verify the truth table of various logic gates. Like, I didn't get it. You have not graded it. Like, my experiment
what
number
is the
2.
comment given?
Comment? There is no comment, I guess. There is no
You
comment.
you can wait. I will come to each and every point. The observations that I have, I will tell you.
Okay.
Yeah. For experiment number 2, it was for basic as well as universal gates. Many have just written the basic gates, not universal gates added there. That is the first point because of which the experiments are not graded. Then there are few students, maybe by mistake, they are uploading Word file. So please upload your PDF file. Your Word file is not getting visible in Moodle. So I have given that comment. Maybe your experiments are there, you have submitted on time, but it is not visible. So please upload it again in the PDF format. There are one or two students only, so maybe this mistake happens because first time you are doing your submission on Moodle. So please, and request to all, kindly upload only PDF files of your experiment. And those who are submitting Word file somewhere, I'm getting doubt you're not using Moodle. That's why the Word file is there. If you're using, sorry, this one, LaTeX, then in LaTeX you will be getting output as a PDF file only. So please do it again and upload your only PDF file. Experiment number 1 is graded. The experiment number 1 for whom it is not graded, the mistake is you are having multiple copies of the same experiment just by name in the change in the title of the experiment. So which is not acceptable. So please withdraw your assignment or experiment and you submit it again. For experiment number 2 again, I could find out. Now I am not meeting you anytime in person. I have not seen your faces, but now I can imagine here who are the friends of whom. Like which are the three experiments I'm finding the similar copies. Definitely you're friends of each other and you're helping them to reduce their efforts. So all 3 are then in the blacklist according to me. So all the 3 experiments are not correct.
Ma'am, but what if I have coded everything? I have the codes also with me, ma'am.
Did I
Because
ask
I've
you
done it by
about
myself.
code? Did I ask you about the code?
No, but
Then
ma'am, I'm just saying that
that's
like I
what
didn't
the
get it.
people like you. What you didn't get? What you didn't get? Please repeat your question.
My is not graded. My
Which
experiment is
experiment?
not graded.
Which
2.
experiment? So you can keep patience, Mr. Krishna More. Can you keep some patience with you? I'm not going to run away anywhere. I'm here to
Sorry,
solve
ma'am.
your doubt. Yeah. Even if you leave your class, after that also 5 to 10 minutes I wait here. And till the last student leave, I used to ask. If no question is there, then I will end the meeting. So please keep some patience with you. And experiment number 4 onwards. Again, I repeat here for the students who have not submitted it. If your submission is not going to complete by next Tuesday, I'm giving you next Tuesday's time, next practical time to complete this first 3 as well as the today's 4th experiment. If it is not going to get complete for your submission part, next Tuesday onwards for lab as well as practicals, I will not, for lab as well as your theory classes, I will not allow that students to enter in. Only exception given is for diploma students, direct second year students. But I'm finding that they are submitting everything on time. They are not having, some of them are not having any late remark on their submission. But the regular students, even though your classes are ending by 3:30, I'm finding that you are taking undue advantage of the facilities given to you, which is very disappointing. In the 4th semester, if this attitude you are going to carry, definitely it will be difficult to reach up to 8th semester regarding your submissions. I'm not talking anything else. I'm talking right now about your submission part only. So I repeat, if by next Tuesday your all 4 experiments are not submitted, next Tuesday onwards you will not be allowed to enter in the class for lab as well as for your theory class. It's the last and final announcement. Those who are present here right now, if your friends are there who are absent today, please convey my message to them. Or your CR can take this responsibility to convey this message to remaining students. And 4th experiment onwards, if I am finding any multiple copies, अभी जो जिनका भी ungraded है, they are the mistakes. First is they are having the multiple copies of the same experiment. If you want to me to take the names, I can right now also I can tell you the names of the students who are having the same copies of their friends. Then for experiment number 3, where the experiment is for half adder and full adder, the ungraded experiments, their diagrams are wrong. That means they have not verified the truth table throughout for all the combinations. Because some of the students, when they checked, they found that it is not giving you the correct output. And then only there was one correction told. And I passed this message through that students that you convey this message to all. but I don't know what is the problem, misunderstanding or mistake from my side that I have not conveyed it. But I remember in one of the class I told you that when these three gates are there and when the three inputs are there, you reduce it to two input. I remember clearly that in one of the lecture I told this. But if it is my mistake, I agree. I have not conveyed you. So you please change your that experiment. You go to Logisim, you verify the truth table for all the combinations for full ladder, and then you submit it. You check it what is the mistake you have done, because same mistake you will continue when your practical exam is there, and that time you will make the faces like अरे मैडम हमने तो किया था यही आउटपुट नहीं दे रहा है. I have experience of this kind also in the practical exam. So better you go verify your output. If you are finding that जो भी आपका diagram है उसमें आपको सब verification हो रहा है, you can share your screen and show it to me. If not, then correct your diagram and submit that experiment again. Then when we completed this experiment, I told that full subtractor and half subtractor we have done for our practice. In the experiment, you submit only adder part, full adder as well as half adder. But still I'm finding some students have added subtractor part also. So please remove that part and submit your experiment again. Those who have submitted this everything and they are submitting again, if your earlier submission is in time, I'm not going to give you any late mark for that. With corrections, you submit your experiments again. So these are the instruction for all the three experiments. Multiple copies, that you are copying the assignment or experiment of your friend, you both change it. Or let the originator be as it is, and those who copied it, please change your experiments. Next thing, basic gate as well as universal gate. Both things we are supposed to verify there. If you have not verified your universal gate, some students have done that. Maybe they have not attended the lab properly, or maybe some kind of misunderstanding. I don't know. So please, you verify your experiment and change it. Repeat it and submit it again. You upload it, no problem. You can upload it again. I can verify by next Tuesday. As and when you will submit, I will check that. And for experiment number 3, remove the subtractor part if you have added. For those students who have added, for them this instruction is there. Next is you verify your logic diagram in the Logisim software for all the truth table combinations. If you are going to get any mistake there, you change the diagram and submit it again. Other than this, if anybody has any doubt, you can ask. Okay, Krishna, are you there? Can you see the comment for experiment number 2? Your doubt was
Yes,
for
ma'am.
experiment number 2. Can you read the experiment comment over there in the feedback? Yes, please read the comment in the
Ma'am, there is
feedback
no
and tell
comment.
me.
You can is this the comment, or like in the comment section there will be a comment, like
In the feedback you've
you
checked.
can make, okay, you can make changes in your submission.
Check in the feedback comment.
Feedback comment. Okay, like is this the comment? Like I don't know where is it exactly. You can still make changes to your submission.
No.
Wait, ma'am. It's still the same. You can still make changes to your submission for experiment number 2.
You share your screen. You please share your screen. Let me see.
Okay. I got it. Okay. Feedback comments. Your experiment is exactly the same as Pratna. Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Is it
Ma'am, so
correct?
okay, ma'am. Like
No, no. First, you answer to my
yes.
question or
The
comment.
thing is
Yeah, is
that
it correct? So, who
uh
is the
her
originator?
experiment
Krishna,
same as mine.
you or Prarthana? Who is the originator?
It's me. It's me.
Okay, you are the
It's
originator.
me. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So,
You can
Prarthana,
ask
are you
Pratna.
there? Please unmute yourself. Prarthana, are you there in the class? Now I have put this comment because I must have checked. This is alphabetically coming, so must be I have checked this Prathana's experiment
I'm
first
really
and
sorry,
then
ma'am.
yours.
I won't do this again because she really needed help. So she asked me to just change the name and give it to her. So at the end moment, I did it. I won't do this again, ma'am.
Exactly,
I'm really sorry.
exactly. See, I'm not teaching to any student first time. If you see now, we can easily catch the people like you. And I can name here right now. I request all of you to please switch on your videos. Let me see your faces at least. Please kindly switch on your videos. And I'll start naming the students who have done this kind of mistake for which they want to say sorry now. I was really not expecting that this scene will happen with your class. So it's Rahul Gaikwad. Please switch on your camera. Now you people started leaving the class. Very good. Happy with your performance, huh? Very good. Let me see your faces, please. Let it be. I know you are at home, so must be you're wearing your whatever clothes that are of
I'm
home
really
only.
sorry, ma'am. I won't do it again.
Let Rahul, that all experiments are same. Who is the originator from you?
Rahul ma'am.
Aditya, Rahul is originator.
Yes ma'am.
ओके तो अभी ऑथर्स को कॉपीराइट देना पड़ेगा है ना when you're passing your experiments to your friends for copying. I really tell you, I appreciate those who have submitted the things on time. They're following all the instructions. And see, I don't mind you help your friend, but like this, you're putting wrong practices in your class. This is not the help, na? Your friend is asking, and what kind of work you have other than your study and your classes right now? Nowhere you are going out for surfing and doing anything other than this. And the regular students, you're getting your time after 3:30. What kind of work you people do? Nothing. So that's why from next experiment onwards, all will be submitting experiments, handwritten output and handwritten your experiment, all the experiments. Theory only आपका जो diagram है या program रहेगा बाद में वही सिर्फ आप print out हो ये लगा उसमें. Otherwise everything you put handwritten only. You can turn off your cameras. अब ये सब छोड़ के और किसी को क्वेश्चंस है रिगार्डिंग योर सबमिशन द प्लेटफॉर्म इज ओपन प्लीज टेल मी एंड देन वी कैन स्टार्ट फॉर आवर नेक्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट Never ever I have faced this.
Ma'am, I had uploaded the corrected logic diagram for the third experiment, ma'am, in full
Okay,
ladder.
fine. I will check. I will check
Yes,
that.
ma'am. Ma'am, I
Yes,
just now
Shivam,
also
I
tried
guess.
it. It is
Yes, yes.
working.
Okay, fine. I will check. Your lab rubrics. One of the student asked one question for lab rubrics. So let me tell you what are the rubrics you have. Four rubrics on which your assignments or experiments will be checked. One is knowledge. Second is performance. Third is content and neatness of the document. And fourth one is punctuality and submission on time. Knowledge takes 3 marks. Performance takes 3 marks. Content and neatness of document take 2 marks, and punctuality and submission on time takes 2 marks. 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. You will not get out marks for any experiment 10 out of 10. We can't give you. Maximum will be 9. Many students must have got that grade also. Out of 10 they are getting 8 9 also. If you're not submitting on time, -2 will be there. And then based on your content, your neatness and other things, your marks will be given. Some students experiment, I'm finding they started and they ended. Like 3 page भी नहीं है, maybe. I don't remember who is that. But I don't know, मतलब आपको खुद से हाथ से नहीं लिखना था, आपको सिर्फ एक अच्छा document create करना है. This is showing that you are very poor in documentation. You can add the content over there, and this, when you are going to read something and from that you will write the content, it is giving you some kind of knowledge. It is not for me. This grades, whatever you're getting, no, that is not for Meena Ugle. That is for Shivam, or that is for Shubham, or that is for Swaraj, or some XYZ. So that when you are going to design any document, you go through various material. From that you try to read it, and definitely whatever readings are done by you is not waste of time. It is going to add something to your knowledge. Maybe I have not covered that thing and you are referring some Google set and you come to know, अरे ये भी है इसमें, ये मैडम ने नहीं सिखाया था. It happens because we are strict to our syllabus designed by university. But when you're reading the content on Google, you get extra knowledge on that, which is going to give you some kind of additional inputs only. That is not waste of time. Instead of playing games on mobile, you can invest your time to solve this material. And as I told you that whatever content, the soft copy I can give you, I am giving you. You can surf for ebooks, you will be getting that, or any kind of internet material you can use for your reference. I never said that use only my PPTs. I always say you use this PPTs as a guideline, as a reference, that what is the content given by university, what is expected by university. Additional material you can surf anytime. So for that also, your content that you are adding, if you are not adding your content, you will not get good marks. You are getting the marks 6, 7, 8, but not 9. Those who got 9 marks, their experiments are really good. They have added very nice content. 1 mark is less because we can't give you out marks. These are some rules that we need to follow as per the accreditation committees. That's why we are not giving you that marks. Second thing, this is another disappointment from your class, that the mock quiz which was uploaded, you people did not attempt it. For 1 or 2 cases, you are giving me the reasons of some internet or some kind of work. It's fine, but you have not attempted it. The thing which was given to you for practice, it is very disappointment. So I hope I will do that next time. For the next quiz, I will ban the students to attempt. No, those who attempted, they are only liable to go for next quiz. Next, इसका आपको ये चाहिए ही नहीं फिर question bank, right? It shows me that interest only. But if you want to get good term work, from your term work, 5 marks will be given to your quiz marks. So if you want that 5 marks in the term work, you have to attempt this quiz. Whichever chapter wise quizzes are there that are going to give you 5 marks in the term work. Whichever marks are there, that will be graded to out of 5, and that marks will directly go to your term work. So I'm opening quizzes now after this lab. It will be open for next Tuesday, and you try to finish it up. Those who have not, and again I will be closing it down and I will not reopen it. I'm giving you 8 days time so that you will finish it up. Though whatever your reasons are there, you deal with that and you complete the quizzes. उसके बाद मैंने बंद कर दिया, तो don't come and request me for anything. Then you forget about your marks in the term work, 5 marks in the term work. Then आपका counting ही out of 20 हो जाएगा, 25 नहीं होगा. So you please do these things on time. Any mistakes from my side, you please tell me so that I will rectify myself. I will try to make some improvements in that. If no doubt nothing is there, we can start with experiment number 4 today. Anybody has any doubt? Platform is open. Same 3 results आ जाएंगे आपके. Everything is ready. It is sent to university. University से उसका stamping होने के बाद you will get it. The results are ready. Okay, Shubham, if no doubt is there, we will start for experiment number 4. Last time we have seen one extra lecture for multiplexers,
Ma'am.
but yes.
Ma'am, I have got 8 marks in first experiment. So is it for late remark?
No. For diploma student, I'm not giving late remark.
Okay.
Maybe some less content or maybe some kind of alignment or your content formatting.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Again, for few students now, not for all, I'm saying. Your right and left alignment, margins are very large. And because of that, I'm finding the main content just as a one column only. But whichever experiment you submitted, let it be. I'm not going to ask you to change anything. But the next experiment that you will submit, please take care of that. Reduce your right and left margins. Okay, fine. I guess you have your PPTs of multiplexer. If not, you download it from Moodle or open it on Moodle. Today's experiment is for multiplexer. Multiplexer and demultiplexer. So we have seen this multiplexer as well as demultiplexer part. This is when multiplexer is there, you are going to give one input and multiple outputs are there. That's why we call it as 1:2, 1:4 likewise. And when demultiplexer is there, it is exact opposite operation. Like we give n inputs and we get multiple outputs for that, like 2:4 or 4:1, and similarly, sorry, not encoder, sorry, mistake. It is 2:1, like 2 input lines, but it will be diverted to only 1 output line. So same way we have seen that part. Today we will try to implement that. So please open your Logisim screen. We are going to design 1:2 and 1:4 multiplexer and demultiplexer. Both things we will be doing here. These circuits we are going to implement, and we are going to verify the truth table. Like for example, okay, this is 2:1 multiplexer. So we are going to verify the truth table of this one, 2:1. Similarly, we will go for verification of truth table for 4:1. Same way, we will go for demultiplexer. In demultiplexer, we will go for verification of 1:2 demultiplexer and 1:4 multiplexer. So these experiments we are going to perform. These PPTs are already uploaded on Moodle. For your reference, you can use from that because I am going to share my login screen. So I cannot show you right now both the things. So if you want, you can open from your material. I'll stop sharing this and I'll share my login screen and we will start performing this experiment. Open your login screen. Okay, fine. Now just follow the instructions one by one. We all will do that. Here you have this multiplexers. You can see left hand side. After gates, you have plexers. Click on the plus symbol and you will get their multiplexer, demultiplexer, decoders, encoders, etc. etc. From that, we are going to work with multiplexers. So select one multiplexer and drag it on the screen. Now, when you take this component on the screen, on the left hand side, you can check the attributes of it. First is facing. This facing is how you are going to connect the different components, east, west, north, south. Selection, select location, then selection bits, data bits, etc. Now, this selection bits and data bits, as you know, for the multiplexers, we have to work with the enable as well as data selection bits. So for that, this include enable we require is yes, and data bits, if we are working for 1:2 or whichever multiplexer you are working right now, based on that, you have to select the data bits. First, we will start with 2:1 multiplexer. So when you are working for 2, you require 2 data bits here. Then you require selection bits. So this is the multiplexer I have taken, which has 2 data bits here, input 0 and input 1. Then you have the enable bit, and you have, this is the first left hand side, the first bit. Right now, if you see the screen, this bit is your selection bit, and this is your enable bit. And output, you put one LED over there, 2 input pins, data input 0 and input 1. So design the diagram like this, the first one. Yes? Any doubt?
Your voice was breaking. Can you repeat again?
Okay, I'll tell you. Select the multiplexer component. What 4 things you require here is, one is data input bits, second is selection, and third is enable. And output, you are going to connect LED here. So this is one LED you can see. Just see my first block, this one, ye wala. All please see the screen. You just concentrate on this first block. Don't see the other thing. First, we will go for this first block only, the selected area right now you can see on the screen. Okay. Now these are 2 inputs. Input pins I am connecting here. This is input number 0 and this is input number 1. Then I have this selection pin. This one is selection pin. Click there and you can see in the attributes. Then you select the enable pin. And then this is your output. And then now you verify the truth table. Now how to verify the truth table? Open 2:1 multiplexer. truth table for 2:1 multiplexer. It is required that you should always keep your enable pin as high. It should be 1 only. So this is my enable pin. Now I am starting simulating. This is my enable pin. I need to keep it high. Right now I'm making it 0, so my LED is not blinking. I need to keep it high, so I'm keeping it 1. Enable pin must be 1. You can see the truth table. E pin is kept 1 input. Then selection. If selection pin is 0, I'm going to keep it both high. Okay. Keep both the inputs as 1 right now. And then we can check for the selection. I'll keep all 0 and only enable pin is 1, and 1 by 1 will go. Now when my selection pin is 0 and this is 1, input number 0 is 1, I'm going to get LED is glowing. See the condition in the truth table. D0 is 1. Selection is 0. That time your output should be 1. Can you see your truth table? And when D1 is 1 and selection is also 1, then only it will be glowing like this. See, right now it is off. Select input number 1 is, sorry, this is 0 and this is 1. So second input is 1. Enable should be 1 only, and I'm selecting that, so it is going to give me output. Verify the truth table.
Ma'am, my LED is not glowing with the same input.
Which condition for the same one?
Ma'am, the diagram which you have shown just now, just with the same input.
Selection is 1. This is 1.
Yes.
You
Yes,
check
ma'am.
the
Selection is 1.
wiring connection for all properly. Extra wire या कुछ short हुआ है. कभी कभी कनेक्शन करते वक्त जब आप ड्रैग करते हो ना वायर को, तो कभी कभी शॉर्ट होता है वो.
वापस करो क्या फिर पूरा?
हाँ, एक बार करके देखो, नहीं तो यू शेयर योर स्क्रीन. आई नीड टू चेक.
Okay.
Ma'am, could you once again repeat the selection one part?
See, right now I'll make this all things 0. All of you, those who are having doubts, you can see here. ये सिर्फ कनेक्शन आपने कर दिया. Everybody has done your connection here. I'll just hope that this part, the highlighted one. Just see here. I'm taking one multiplexer. 2 inputs, 1 selection and 1 is enable. 1 is output. तो connection करके ले लिया. All are 0 right now. Now I will start. Our multiplexer works always with enable input as a 1. So this is my enable pin. I'm going to make it 1. Fine. Then these are the 2 inputs. Multiplexer क्या करता है? It is 2:1. First one we are trying right now. So ये दोनों में से कोई एक input high रहेगा. And when I'm going to select that, the output will be glowing or output will be 1. Just a minute, I'll stop this and I'll share my screen again for the truth table. Let me tell you what we are checking exactly. There should not be confusion. Practical exam है आपको इसके ऊपर. Okay, I think my screen is visible. See, this is the truth table that we are supposed to verify there. If you check this, see this truth table. All of you, please see here. This is the enable pin, first column. I need to keep it 1. अगर मैं 0 रखती हूँ तो output will be always 0. Right now the condition that you can see on your screen. ये pin आपको always 1 रखना है. Then which your pin you are selecting there, based on that you are going to get the output. Now see the 2 highlighted rows here. First you see the third row, highlighted row number 1. Output will be high when I am going to have D0 input as 1 and selection pin will be 0. तो अभी आपके पास है आपका डायग्राम, यू मेक दिस चेंजेस. इनेबल पिन 1 कर दो, D0 आपका इनपुट नंबर 0 है उसको 1 कर दो and selection 0 रखो and check you should get your output LED should be glowing. Everybody check this. से दिस हाईलाइटेड रो कंडीशन रखना है आपको. आप D1 उस टाइम पे कुछ भी रखो, आप 0 रखो या 1 रखो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. दैट्स व्हाई दिस X इज रिटन हियर. दैट इज डोंट केयर कंडीशन. Second condition what you can check is the highlighted row, last row. It is telling selection should be 1. D1 आपका 1 होना चाहिए. D0 आप कुछ भी रखो, आपका आउटपुट 1 आना चाहिए. Please check your output, these conditions, and check your output whether you are getting or not. If you are getting, please type yes in the chat box. If you are not getting any doubts, please ask. Okay, Manish, Uttam, okay, Anurag, Audrey, Johan, fine. But I'm getting the usual students reply. Others, if you're there, please do it. Got it? What to check here? Okay, thank you other students also for your reply in the chat box. Now similarly, I'll just scroll ahead. This is the 4:1 करना है अभी हमें. क्या चेक करना है? I'm just telling you here. ये सिलेक्शन है. These are my selection inputs. D0, D1, D2 and D3. ये आउटपुट आपको हाई आना चाहिए. तो ये इनपुट में से मैं जो इनपुट 1 रखूंगी and I am going to select through selection pin, that will be reflected here. Enable pin must be high. तो वो आपको 1 रखना ही है. So this truth table we are going to verify for 4:1 multiplexer. Okay. I'll stop sharing this and I'll share my Logison screen. Okay, I think it is visible now. Now we will go for the next part. Which part of my diagram? This one. ये कर रहे हैं हम लोग. अब इसके लिए क्या चाहिए आपको? We are going to take one multiplexer here. Sorry, multiplexer. Selection bit आपको 2 करना है. This is the select bit. From that you select 2. When you select this, selection pin as a 2, this is the selection pin. This is your enable pin. और जब ये 2 करोगे आप तो यहाँ पे आपको 4 inputs मिल जाएंगे. For all the 4 inputs, you connect one pin. And then we will see how to run this. First, diagram complete करो. अब ये करते वक्त प्लीज कीप दिस सेपरेटली. कोई भी लेंथ पे रखो आप, बट सी दैट इट शुड नॉट शॉर्ट, नहीं तो आउटपुट नहीं आएगा ठीक से. अब ये 4 आपके इनपुट है, इसको आपको चेक करना है आउटपुट के साथ. Just see here one condition you can check. I am keeping this selection pin 1-1. अगर 1-1 करूंगी तो आपका D4 का आउटपुट आएगा. So this is my input 4. enable should be high and LED is glowing. If I'm going to keep it this is 0, this should be 0. अब इसमें से कोई भी on रखो, don't care. It will not give you any output because my selection pins are 1 1, which tells me that it should be 1, then only output will be 1. Similarly, you verify for all the conditions. ये सब मैं 0 कर रही हूँ अभी.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, how to take 1 1?
ये सिलेक्शन में जाओ ना, यहाँ पे आपको चेंज करना आता है. ये देखो मैंने 0 0 कर दिया. ये सिलेक्शन पिन जब आप लोगे ना तो यहाँ पे जाके उसके पिन नंबर 2 कर दो, डेटा बिट्स 2 कर दो. दिस इज माय सिलेक्शन पिन.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, जस्ट अ मिनट, आई विल शो यू. जैसे आप इसको सिलेक्ट करोगे एट्रीब्यूट्स आएंगे, एट्रीब्यूट्स में जाके यहाँ पे 2 सिलेक्ट करो, डेटा बिट्स विल बी 2. नाउ सी माय फर्स्ट कंडीशन 0 0 है, इनेबल 1 एट 0 बिट में 1 कर रही हूँ तो इट शुड बी ग्लोइंग. अदर बिट्स आपके 0 है या 1 है, डोंट केयर. लाइक 4th बिट मैंने 1 कर दिया, doesn't going to make any change there. ये 0 है. now I'm going to change for 0 1 condition selection pin. तो यहाँ पे 1 आएगा, then only it will be 1. ये 0 है और बाकी बिट्स अपने 1 रखे, it will not change any output. Just like that, you check for all the conditions in the truth table. Just remember this enable should be 1 always, this part. Check for next condition 1 0 का and 3rd bit. Now here this is simulation. Similarly, when you work in the lab, we have multiplexer and demultiplexer ICs, small integrated circuit, small components are there. So we used to connect that on breadboard and check the similar way. If you are getting for 4 conditions, please type completed.
Ma'am,
or
I am
yes.
not getting that 4 conditions coming, like that connection is not coming. It is coming only 2 connections.
You select this
Yes,
one
ma'am.
first.
Same.
Ma'am, I have
Listen,
done
listen.
that.
No,
Yes, ma'am.
listen, you select this data pin, select pin, data pins में जाके 2 करो उसको.
मैम किया 2 किया.
हाँ मैम 2 किया हूँ. सिर्फ ब्लू दिखा रहा है, आपका इसमें ग्रीन दिखा रहा है.
हम लोग मुझे सिर्फ 2 दिखा रहा है कनेक्ट करने को, बाकी 2 नहीं आ रहा है.
ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. Can you share your screen? I will stop my. ये एक काम करो, यहाँ पे जाओ, मल्टीप्लेक्सर पहले सिलेक्ट करो और सिलेक्शन पिन पे जाके 2 करो. एक बार चेक करो, मल्टीप्लेक्सर सिलेक्ट करो, ये कंपोनेंट बीच वाला, और सिलेक्ट पिन पे जाके 2 सिलेक्ट करो.
हाँ मैम किया.
अभी आ रहा है?
नहीं
हाँ मैम
मैम.
हुआ, अभी हुआ. मैम मेरे को 4 आ गया.
Yes. Other also please.
Ma'am, should I share the screen?
Yes. Let me stop mine, then you share. Okay. Now you share. Check करते क्या मिस्टेक है.
Is it visible ma'am?
Yes. Your 3rd circuit ना?
हाँ ये फर्स्ट वाला है, वो भी नहीं चल रहा था मक्स वाला.
ये 4 इनपुट लिया, सिलेक्शन पिन, इनेबल एंड दिस. या सिलेक्ट करो. ये कौन सा कंडीशन?
Ma'am, buttons are not
हाँ.
connected properly.
Yes, ma'am.
That's what I
They
am
are east
मतलब
asking.
राइट
facing.
साइड में कनेक्ट होता है वो.
Either
Ah,
they should be north
see.
facing or
Yes.
connected to east.
You got
क्या
your
करना है?
error? क्या
Or you
पता
can
नहीं है
rotate as
आपको?
well.
अब stop करो screen आपका. We got your mistake. I'll share mine. I'll tell you. Just a minute. See, when you take this button ना, ये देखो मैं ये रैंडम ले रही हूँ एक बटन यहाँ पे. ये बटन आप जब लेते हो ना तो ऑलवेज इट इज हैविंग दिस ईस्ट वाला पार्ट फॉर कनेक्शन बाय डिफॉल्ट. अब जब आप पोजीशन चेंज कर रहे हो, ऊपर नीचे कर रहे हो, तो इधर आपको ड्रैग करके ऐसा कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा जैसे मैंने ये किया है. नहीं तो जैसे कनेक्शन चाहिए, जैसे इसको ऊपर से चाहिए आपको, तो ये सिलेक्ट करके फेसिंग आपको चेंज करना पड़ेगा. If I'm going to keep the facing north, what will happen? See, this is my north has done. ये ऊपर के साइड में गया. What is the mistake you are doing? You are taking the pin, ये चेंज नहीं किया तुमने, और यहाँ से आप ड्रैग कर रहे हो वायर, ये ऐसे, तो दैट इज रॉन्ग.
ओके ओके.
हाँ, तो कनेक्शन प्रॉपर नहीं हुआ है. दिख रहा है आपको कि कनेक्टेड है, बट एक्चुअल कनेक्शन नहीं हुआ है. तो सिलेक्ट द पिन, सिलेक्ट द फेसिंग जैसे चाहिए आपको, एंड देन डू इट. Others are getting checked. Please reply in the chat box. Okay, Uttam. Okay, you got it now, this one. Now for our case, we are just going for 2:1 and 4:1. If you want, you can go for others also. Just आपको यहाँ पे selection pin change करना है, और आप 4:1 के आगे 8:1 और ऐसे भी जा सकते हो, but not required for us. Sufficient is this much. Now we will go for demultiplexer. I'll stop sharing the screen. I'll just show you the truth table first. क्या चेक करना है आपको? And then we will start this experiment, demultiplexer का. Sorry. Okay. This is 1:2 demultiplexer. एक इनपुट देने के बाद दो आउटपुट है आपके. This is my truth table. Which condition I am supposed to check? Enable should be 1 always. D in है, single bit है. 1:2 we are checking. 2 है तो आपको दो LEDs लगाने हैं. One at Y0, second at Y1. D in only single input. I repeat, only single input here. अब ये इनपुट आइदर 0 हो सकता है या 1 हो सकता है. अगर 0 है या 1 है, उस टाइम पे इनेबल 1 ही चाहिए, बट सिलेक्शन बिट भी आपका 0 और 1 हो सकता है. तो इफ आई एम गोइंग टू कीप D in condition, input pin as 1, selection bit as 0, I'm going to get output as 0. If I'm going to keep this pin as 1, पहला 0 था, अभी 1 किया, selection pin also 0, then I'm going to get output 1 at Y0. तो Y0 का जो LED है वो आपका ग्लो होना चाहिए. Similarly, I will check the last row of this. 1, 1, 1. अगर तीनों 1 रख रहे हो तो Y1 का LED आपका ग्लो होना चाहिए. This is for 1:2. Similarly, we can go for 1:4. एक ही इनपुट है, 4 आउटपुट है. जहां पे भी आपको 1 दिख रहा है, वो कंडीशन के लिए D in और सिलेक्शन का क्या स्टेटस है, इट शुड बी गिविंग यू द आउटपुट. गॉट इट? ये दो आपको स्लाइड के ट्रूथ टेबल वेरीफाई करने हैं. I'll stop this and I'll share my new screen. Log in. जहाँ पे मल्टीप्लेक्सर कंपोनेंट था उसी के नीचे आपका डीमल्टीप्लेक्सर कंपोनेंट है. ड्रैग दैट ऑन द स्क्रीन. सिंगल इनपुट चाहिए तो इनपुट आप कनेक्ट करो एक. आपका सिलेक्शन पिन और इनेबल पिन है. अब उल्टा है, पहले आपका इनेबल है फिर सिलेक्शन है. दिस इज योर इनेबल. दिस इज योर इनेबल पिन. देखो स्क्रीन पे, जस्ट नाउ आई हैव कनेक्टेड हियर दिस पार्ट. शो यू दिस पार्ट आई एम डूइंग राइट नाउ. या आपको ये वाला पार्ट करना है, ये वाला. और आपके आउटपुट दो रहेंगे, दो एलईडीज कनेक्ट करो. डिलीट दिस. And then verify your condition. इनपुट 1 है एंड सिलेक्शन 0 है, इसके लिए Y0 ग्लो हो रहा है. इनपुट 1, सिलेक्शन ऑल्सो 1, तो आपका Y1 ग्लो होगा. अगर मैं इनपुट 0 रख रही हूँ, ये 0 रखा, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू अफेक्ट एनीवेयर. ये 1 है, ये 0 है सिलेक्शन, तो माय फर्स्ट एलईडी इज ग्लोइंग. If it is working, go for last one. 1:4 demultiplexer. Once you complete it, please reply. Okay, both 4:1. Sorry, 1:4 also completed. Okay, very good. So this is your experiment number 4 based on your LO number 2, digital logic. So this LO tells you that you should be able to design and analyze any circuitry. So first is designing part we are doing here. In terms of truth table verification, you are verifying it whether it is working properly or not. And now, right now, I'm not giving you any equation to design. But if I give you any equation like y is equal to AB plus CD plus DC or AC, like that, you will be very easily designing it with the help of logic gates. Then if I tell you to go for designing any kind of multiplexer or demultiplexer, it will be easy for you to design it. So this is LO number 2 we are completing with experiment number 4. Next experiments will be based on your microprocessor assembly language programming. 8086. Before we start that in the next week, we are going to study the basic things of 8086 microprocessor, and then we will learn how to write the instructions first, and then we will see simple programs how to write, and then we will see how to execute that in assembly language programming. So experiment number 5 onwards will be for assembly language programming. So please answer your attendance. I think I'll stop sharing my screen. And again, last time I'm telling, please change your experiments. If you have copied from others, you withdraw that. Because of you, the students, those who helped you, your friends, their experiments are also not graded. So if you are really their friends, you withdraw your experiments, let the original author be as it is, and others you change your experiment and submit it. Submit all the 4 experiments whose experiments are not graded. Please submit it again by at least next Tuesday. After that, those experiments whose submissions are not done, and I'm finding the multiple copies of the same experiment for them also, there will be another punishment plan from my side. So those who don't want to get catched in that defaulter list, please do your submission properly and on time. I hope you are all understanding what I'm trying to tell you. Second thing, your quiz is open. That is also till next Tuesday, 2 p.m. Last chance to attempt your quiz. If you will not attempt, your marks out of 5 in the term work will be 0. Fine. Please answer your attendance. Number 1, absent. 2, absent. 3, absent. 4, absent. 5, good, absent. 6, 7,
Present, ma'am.
8,
Present, ma'am. Ma'am, for this experiment, the write-up is same as third one.
yes, you have to follow the same way. Diagram, truth table, and some content in theory you can add over there about
Okay, ma'am.
multiplexers. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.